Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn standard 10th English medium subject maths exercise 3.2 question number 5. In question, a vessel in the form of inverted cone. So the conical conical vessel has a height 8 centimeter and its radius of its top which is open is 5 centimeter. Open and 5, therefore height are given and the radius and height are given. In filled with water up to the brims when the lid shot, each of which sphere of radius 0.5 was dropped in the vessels. It means the vessels the drop of sphere having radius 0.5 centimeter, the 1 by 4th of the water flow out when the number of lead shot drop in the vessels. It means number of lead shot can be found in this question. How many numbers of water drops can be out? So first conical vessels are given, therefore volume of water, it means one volume of filled with water, here H, L and this is a R. So first find volume of water in vessels. Volume of water in full vessels, it means volume of indirectly the volume of cone, and volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 as it is, pi can see only now pi can be written down pi, so 1 by 3 pi into r square, it means 5 into 5 plus h means 8. So after simplification you got 200 divided by 3 centimeter cube and pi can be written. So pi into 200 divided by 3. Now another sentence are 1/4 of water flow out on dropping lid shoot in the vessels. Friends, it means 1 by 4th volume of flow can be out. So after total volume 1 by 4th water drops can be out of this conical shape. It means volume divided by 4, it means 1 by 4 multiply by 200 divided by 3 into pi centimeter square r water out of this. Now suppose n spherical lead shoot with radius. Now nth spherical lead shoot with radius r is equal to 0.5 centimeter, r drop out in the vessels. So volume of this n spherical shoots, volume of n spherical lead shoot is equal to volume of water flow. So suppose water flow, it means hers. Now 1 by 4th part of water can be out of these vessels, and this out of petals, it means in a form of lead bubbles shoots, water drops, it means spherical shape. Therefore n multiply by volume of this lead shoots is equal to the volume of water flown out, it means water can be out of these vessels, it means n multiply by 4 by 3 pi r cube as it is. So this r cancel out, 50 Therefore answer is 50 divided by 3 pi centimeter cube. So answer is 50 divided by pi centimeter cube. Pi and pi both side will be cancelled. 3 and 3 both side are cancelled. Therefore n multiply by r cube, it means 0.5 cube is equal to 50, and multiply by 4 multiply by pi cube. Therefore n equal to 50 divided by 4 multiply by 0.5 cube. 0.5 means what? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So after completed, answer is 100. So 100 lead shoots can be dropped out by this water. So friends, understand in this question, suppose a conical vessels, वो जो वाटर से भरा हुआ है, वो वाटर में से 1/4 वाटर का जो वॉल्यूम है वो बाहर निकल जाएगा. वो बाहर निकलता है वॉल्यूम, वो कैसे निकलता है? तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस लीड शूट्स, इट मीन्स द लीड शूट फॉर्म कैन बी वॉल्यूम आउट ऑफ दिस वेसल्स. सो इन कॉनिकल शेप में से जो वाटर निकलता है उसका वॉल्यूम किससे इक्वल होगा? तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस लीड शूट से इक्वल होगा. तो नंबर ऑफ हमें लीड शूट्स फाइंड करने हैं, तो इसलिए हमने लिया नंबर ऑफ लीड शूट मल्टीप्लाई बाई एन वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. दोनों का वॉल्यूम इक्वल होगा क्योंकि जितना वाटर बाहर आता है उतने लीड शूट का वॉल्यूम होगा, तो इसलिए दोनों को कंपेयर किया है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. In question number 6, solid iron pole contains cylindrical of height. So the cylindrical at height 220 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter. Which is surrounded by another cylindrical force height. Find the mass of pole given 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. So here two cylindrical lower and upper cylinder. So first consider as a lower cylindrical shape, consider as R1, it means diameter divided by 2, therefore 12 centimeter diameter, and height H1 consider 220 centimeter. Now for upper cylindrical, taken R2 is equal to 8 centimeter are given and H2 is equal to, in question given, 60 centimeter. What is? Find out the mass of pole. So mass of pole are given units. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 grams. So we have to figure first volume of these two shape. So volume of pole is equal to volume of upper and lower cylindrical. So addition of this two cylindrical, it means pi r1 square h plus pi r2 square h2. Pi will be common, therefore 22 by 7 multiply by r1 square. Pi will be common, so remain part is r1 square h1 h2. Pi divided by this term, r1 can be considered as a 12 multiplied by 220 plus 8 multiplied by 60. So after simplification, final answer can be found 3.14. 22 by 7 is considered as a 3.14, and in this question here given value of pi can be considered as a 3.14. It means in place of pi we have to put 3.14, therefore 3.14 as it is, and this bracket simplification is 35520. These are the volume of this pole. So now consider as a mass of, given in question, mass of 1 centimeter cube iron is equal to 8 grams. 8 grams, therefore how many kg? 0.008 kg, because remember that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. therefore 8 gram, it means 0.008 kg. Now find the mass of this pole. It means this term, mass of 1 centimeter cube is equal to how many? So mass of how many grams? 314,35520 centimeter cube R1 is equal to how many? In question mark opposite division remains 2 has a multiplication, therefore 0.008 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 35520. So you get final answer in kg 892.26. In question number 7, question number 7s are homework. Hint for this question can be given here. The combined solid shape cone and hemispherical, two shape are given question. So both have a radius are given 60 centimeter and height of this cone can be given 120. So now combined volume, first find combined volume. It means volume of cone. Volume of cone, it means 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere and volume of cone. So you got fine answer. Now find the cylindrical have a new it means is up and right. Two cylindrical shape and volume are given. So now find the cylindrical having radius 60 centimeter and height 180. So volume of water in a cylindrical, the initiality, therefore volume of cylinder. So another volume of cylinder pi r square h. So you got now volume of water left in a cylindrical after placing the combined solid it. So how many volume can we find? So first find cylindrical volume. After this is a volume of another container, another object. It means cone and hemisphere. So first find volume of cone and hemisphere. Now second step in a solid. So first volume at the cylindrical shape. So now find the volume of cylindrical. It means pi r square h. So using this equation find volume of cylindrical. Now find what is volume left after the placing the combined solid it means volume of cylindrical minus volume of this combined solid. So remain part is our answer. Our answer is approximately 1.131 meter cube. 1.131 meter cube is the answer of this question. So your complete exercise 13.2. Now next lecture we have to start exercise 13.3.